So Cameron and Behrens found some differences between the different high school tracks. So they found that instruction is conceptually simplified and proceeds more slowly in the lower tracks. They also found that teachers with more experience and the more qualified teachers seem to be assigned to the higher tracks a lot more commonly than the lower tracks. They found that teachers viewed the high track students in a positive way, while they typically viewed the low track students in a negative way, and that most of the students' friends are in the same track. So, when the critics looked at this ethnographic study of tracks, they found that the teacher and the curriculum differences may represent just the appropriate responses to the different educational and emotional needs of different school children. So, yes, the lower track students don't get through quite as much curriculum, but it may be because they need to learn at a slower pace, which is causing them to not get through as much curriculum. While the higher track students may be more accelerated and get through more curriculum because they're learning at a faster pace. So the study raised many interesting questions about ability grouping, but they did not actually provide scientific answers. So they found that the study was just simply too casual and they couldn't use it as valid research. So here are my final thoughts on grouping studies. So they found that overall ethnographic studies are higher in rhetorical than scientific value, and they found that the correlational analysis did not provide conclusive evidence. So overall, the experimental studies seem to be the best guide to understanding the effects of grouping on children. So my question to you is, what are your thoughts on ability grouping and tracking, and what results, either good or bad, have you seen in the classroom? I'm excited to hear all of your answers.